Did you know you can make the viral Dubai strawberry cup in just minutes? Seriously, it's crispy, creamy, chocolatey perfection, and ridiculously easy. First, you want to prep the ingredients. Slice up 2 cups fresh strawberries. No stems, just the juicy part. If you're using Filo dough, slice it up super thin. Or you can also make this with pre-shredded Kataifi. I just don't find that as easy to find in the stores near me. First, heat up a pan over medium and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Toss in the Filo or Kataifi and keep it moving. Stir, flip, definitely don't let it burn. Once golden brown, take it off the heat, mix in some pistachio cream, or you could just assemble it right in the cups. To the serving cups, add some of that crispy Filo dough, some pistachio cream if you didn't already mix it up. Then add in your strawberries and drizzle with some melted chocolate, and that's it. Serve it crunchy or let it soften. Definitely good either way. And just like that, you have the most delicious viral dessert. It's salty, it's crunchy, sweet from the strawberries, and a little bit of that chocolate. This is so freaking tasty. My goodness.